So welcome back to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks, and today we are harvesting lots of Thai Basil. Lots of them for us for something special.
Tadara?
Here's another one. So they are good for to put in salads or in pasta or in pizzas, and also good for the body. If anything is itching, you can just rub it on your body. Keeps it nice and cool. And here's a lot just from 3 plants. Still have many more to go. Here another plant. They're very easy to grow and just grow wild. So if you keep on trimming every 15 days, it will grow nicely. Here's the next one. So I had grown this along with the mango plant, Mankurad. There's another one here with the banana, but it's not growing so fast because bananas are heavy feeders. Apparently that also got cut.
Because we are trying those leaves.
Now we have another one here with the mango. And another one here. And up here. And here there's another one, young one. Here. So we'll cut this also. And we are done. So this is the full lot. Lots of Thai basil. So what we are going to do is we are going to replant a few, and most of them, 90%, we are going to sun dry.